Ayetunde, and my phone number is 301-404-8620. I want to tell you the meaning of talking drum. The talking drum is different. Some people, they play the talking drum, they don't know the meaning. They don't know how to play it. They call it tungba. I'm challenging everybody to tell me, in talking drum, there's oriki. If you don't know how to play oriki, everything is meaningless, nonsense. But I want to tell you original talking drum. I want you to challenge me with your oriki and you tell me the meaning.
What's your name?
That's what we call talking drum, oriki. Anybody challenge me with your oriki or whatever, let me know your oriki. And you call yourself you're a talking drummer. You don't know the meaning. The meaning what is the meaning of oriki? Now I say I'm tungba. I'm not going against you saying you are playing tungba, but what is the meaning? If you don't know how to play oriki, you are not a talking drum. I'm a friend of today. I'm born with drum. I'm a drummer. Challenge me. Anytime this is a sample. I have a lot of oriki in my hand. So anybody want to learn, contact me. I'm not telling you about Tumba. What is Tumba? I mean, the olden days, the way they train us, if you don't know the oriki, they can't spend money for you. But now, they play rubbish. Thank you. Today.